According to the military website Defense Express, facing a shortage of weapons and ammunition as well as interruptions in aid from the West, Ukrainian forces can only maintain the defense line and repel a wave of fierce attacks from the West. Russian Army. If this tactic is successful, Ukraine could reduce the fighting capacity and will to advance of Russia's military forces. However, it also requires a multi-layer defense system, based on fortified positions and carefully prepared in advance. Regarding the construction of fortified defenses, time is the most precious resource, but most of it has been wasted by the Ukrainian army. With modern battlefields filled with reconnaissance drones and available satellite images, Russia easily discovered this weakness and tried to exploit it. According to Defense Express, the Ukrainian army is not ready to mobilize and strengthen its defense line quickly. The engineer forces were methodically disbanded, resulting in only 4 engineer regiments remaining in the entire armed forces of Ukraine by 2005. Special military technical equipment for building defense lines was also decommissioned and sold. Although Ukraine established new engineering units in 2015 to 2016, this issue did not really receive much attention until 2022. The engineering force was also not expanded. The responsibility for creating defense lines is now placed on the shoulders of commanders of combat brigades. With the limited resources of each unit, it is currently difficult for Ukraine to create solid, long-lasting defense lines sufficient to stop Russia's rapid advance. A soldier from the technical unit of the Armed Forces of Ukraine on the front line revealed that the infantry will decide where the engineering team is needed and assign tasks, causing a situation where each brigade builds a defense line. Private. This makes it difficult to maintain cohesion and integrity across the entire defensive line. On the other hand, the strong defense is attributed to the fortifications having reinforced concrete structures. However, the construction of such fortifications requires permission from senior Ukrainian commanders. At lower levels, to speed up the construction process, they accepted to build fortifications from wood and materials that were only issued after the brigade's submission. Meanwhile, Russia often dispatches private construction companies to build defense lines, building ready-made concrete shelters and digging foxholes, trenches, and ditches according to a single master plan. Russia then successfully built a very solid 3-layer defense line, challenging a series of Western weapons deployed by Ukraine.